This presentation is an overview of the resources that I explored during this course. I wanted to focus on resources that I thought would best meet the needs of the students, as well as resources that would help teachers find new ways to integrate technology in their classrooms. To do this, I considered the types of technology that we currently have at our school. Since we are a career center, the labs often have more advanced technology, and sometimes academic classrooms, they are lacking in terms of technology, and especially running into a lot of technology issues with the laptops. Each classroom has a set of laptops. Many of them have been converted into Chromebooks, but there are still many issues every day in terms of connecting to the Wi-Fi or battery issues. As a result, I was using this and keeping this in mind when I considered the resources I wanted to include. So I tried to find ones that could also use phones as an option. That way, students they have a choice how they would like to use the resource. And also, if there are issues with the laptops, students can always use their phones. So I focused on Flipgrid, MindMeister, and Google Expeditions for my three resources. And to start, Flipgrid is a resource that students can use to create videos. Teachers create discussion prompts for students, and then the students respond to them by uploading their videos. And these videos could be in the forms of whiteboard presentations. They can actually do screencasting as well. So there's lots of different options. And with Flipgrid, the main focus is on empowering learners. So, this is something that they focus on quite a bit by giving students a chance to actually be in charge of their learning, and they can collaborate with others. They can see what others post about different topics as well. So, it's a really great way to make sure that students are engaged and focused on their learning. And with this is an example of the different types of grids that teachers can create and the steps that they would take, and then also the types of topics. So, for example, if you're talking about the executive branch, you could create a topic where students are imagining that they are the president and they have to post a video about the types of responsibilities that they would have. In addition, MindMeister is a resource that students can use to create mind maps online, and it's a good way for them to organize their ideas and also visualize information. I envision this to be especially helpful when students are working on projects, which is ideal for a career center because a lot of the labs and classes are project based. So students can brainstorm ideas by creating a mind map. They can also organize their research. And it's a good way that they can also collaborate with each other so they can share their mind maps. And a nice feature that works well with our school is the fact that you can also use this resource with Google Drive. So students can upload the files into their Google Drive since they have Google accounts. And that makes it really easy for them to store all their information in one place as well. And this is an example of once you log into the MindMeister app, you can see different apps, different maps that are available for you to choose from. And then the final one is Google Expeditions, which I chose this because it's a really good way to get students interested in their topic, especially if it's history, if it's a science class, they can really be more invested. Because with this, students can actually go on tours of different sites. So, for example, I was looking at the Declaration of Independence, and you can visit Independence Hall. You can hear someone actually read information to you. You can answer questions as you go through it. So, it's a really good way for students to actually visualize what they're learning about. And the nice feature is students and teachers can also create their own tours. That really puts the learning in the hands of the students. So, overall, with this, I was trying to focus on ways that teachers can create more interactive and engaging content for their students, as well as ways that students can be more empowered and involved in their learning.